On this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how you can make $700 per day with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that it requires low investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can join. In this case, I'm using CPA group. CPA group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for CPA group and then create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA group that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $3.21 per every lead that you get. You don't need to get a sale. All that you need to do is that you have to get people in the United States to install this app, and you are going to be paid the payout right here, $3.21. There are a lot of them that you can promote. As a school, you can see a lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so what you have to do is that you have to search for a country where you can easily get traffic to your affiliate link. Another factor is that you have to consider a country that has offers with higher payout. As you can see, all these offers, the payout is very low. You can see a whole lot of them, they have lower payout, so we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and select any country that you want. You can see a lot of different countries. In this case, you are going to search for Canada. So search for Canada, just search for it. Once you search, you can see Canada, click on it. So once you search for Canada, you are going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, there are many offers that you can promote to earn money from home. As a school, you can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $2.22 per every lead that you get. The requirement is email and zip code submit, so your potential visitors have to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of getting iPhone 15 Pro. You can see it right here. So when you get people to enter their email and zip code, you are going to be paid. You can see the next one is the same thing. There are many offers, so when you scroll down, you can see a lot of them. This offer right here, grab your back to school gift card now. You are going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. Your potential visitors have to enter a PIN code. Once they enter the PIN code, they are going to stand the chance of getting a back to school gift card, and you are going to be paid $12.83. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of the offers that you want so that you can promote it and then get list. Once you get a list, you're going to be paid. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer, so click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. The offer is allowed in Canada. You can see it right here. This is the payout, and you can see this is the offer title. So now what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can get paid. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. It depends on your choice. If you want the free traffic, you can use that. If you want the paid traffic, you can use that. In this case, I'm going to be using a paid traffic source because the paid traffic source is very effective and you are going to be getting quick results. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is adoperator.com. Just search for adoperator.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. This platform is one of the best that you can use to advertise your link. The best part is that the cost per click is very low. The ad approval is very fast. If you publish an ad on this platform, it will only take some few minutes and your ad is going to be approved. So this is one of the best that you can use to advertise your affiliate link. To advertise your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select I am advertiser, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select individual. Once that is done, enter your first name, last name, select your country, the city, address, zip code, phone number, email address, password, and then you are going to enter your social media handle right here. You can enter Skype or Telegram. Once that is done, accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Once that is done, click on registration. Once you click on it, you are going to get access to a free account which you can use to run your ads. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to start creating your campaign. To create a campaign, click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to give a name to your campaign. In this case, I'm going to type back to school, something like this. You can give any name that you want. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you're going to enter the target URL. That is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA group, copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on CPA group, you're going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to select the campaign type. You can select pop under, push notification, in-page push. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select push notification. Once you select your campaign type, the next step is that you are going to enter your budget. You can see they have total budget and daily budget. The daily budget is the amount that you are going to spend on your ad per day. The total budget is the amount that you are going to spend on your ad in total. So if you want your ad to run for 1 week, how much are you going to spend on your ad? That is the total budget. Or if you want your ad to run per month, how much are you willing to spend on your ads? That will be your total budget. In this case, I'm going to enter $100. Just enter $100. Once that is done, you are going to enter the daily budget. So let's say $20. Once that is done, you can see CPC, cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? You can see the default is 0.025. I think that is okay, so just leave it. Or if you want, you can enter your own cost per click. So enter 0.026 or something. Any amount that you want, you can select it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see creative. You have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see icon image and they have the main image. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA group and then download the image of the offer. Once you come back on CPA group, put your pointer on the offer image. Once that is done, right click. Once you right click, you're going to select save images. Once you click on that, click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you're going to come back, click on the upload icon. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to crop it. So just crop it the way you want. Once you crop it, you can see the image right here. Once that is done, you can see upload image. You are going to click on it and then upload your image. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, you are going to crop it. Just crop it like this. Once that is done, you can see the image has been uploaded. The next step is that you have to paste your ad title and a description. To get a title for your ad, you can come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a description for your ad. So just come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you can see a description of the ad. Just copy this short description. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, you are going to scroll down. You can see targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see country. You're going to select the country where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in Canada. So you're going to type Canada here. Type it. Once you type, select it. As you can see, that has been done. The offer is only allowed in Canada, so you're going to leave it like this. Once you select the country, the next step is that you are going to select the operating system. You can see OS. The offer is allowed on Apple iOS, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select Mac OS. Once that is done, you can see operating system version. There is no restriction, so just leave it. Just leave it to any. Once that is done, you can see browsers. There is no restriction, just leave it to any. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see advanced targeting, connection type, just leave it. Careers, just leave it. Regions, we are not going to select any region in Canada. We want the ad to reach all over Canada, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see cities, just leave it. Browsers language, we are going to select the language. In this case, we are going to select English because the people who live in Canada speak English, so select English. Once that is done, you are going to search for French. So search for French, you can see it French. As you can see, that has been done. The languages has been selected. Once that is done, you can see subscribers activity by lifespan. You can see high activity, all activity, just leave it all activity. Once that is done, you can see IP list. If you have IP addresses that you want to blacklist or whitelist, you can enter that, but in this case you don't have any IP list, so just leave it. Just leave it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see display time. Right here you can select the day and the time that you want your ad to run. In this case, we want our ad to run on all days and at all times, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see conversion tracking. Just leave these details because they are not important. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to publish your ad. To publish your ad, you are going to click on start campaign. Once you click on it, you can see it is currently pending. They are going to approve it and your ad is going to start running. In my case, you can see one of my ad got approved. You can see it right here. It has been approved to run. Within some few minutes, this ad is going to be approved and it's going to start running. But before your ad runs, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your account. To deposit money, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see these are the various methods that you can use to deposit money into your account so that your ad can run. You can see credit card, the minimum amount is $100. The crypto pay, the minimum amount is $100. USDT, you can see the minimum is $100. PayPal, you have to verify your PayPal accounts and then deposit the money. You can see Alipay, Capitalist, and the rest. So any of the payment methods that you want, you can use. If you want, you can use the bank transfer so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Just select the one that is easy for you so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit the money, you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details to stand the chance of winning back to school gift card. Once they enter their details, whether they win the offer or not, you are still going to be paid. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.